We recently took a trip to Orlando and stayed at the Waldorf Astoria Orlando. Today I'm going to be showing you a tour of our room, which was a deluxe room with 2 queen beds. We stayed on the 9th floor in room 945. Our room had a nice walk-in closet on the left whenever you walked into the room, which also included 2 robes as well. In addition to the closet, there was a nice full-length mirror on the door. There was a nice oversized bathroom, which included a bathtub and a glass enclosed shower. The room we stayed in was one of the deluxe rooms with 2 queen-size beds. It also included a television, and it's not shown here, but there was a mini fridge underneath that television, in addition to a desk to get some work done and a coffee maker if you like to make your own coffee in the mornings. There wasn't much of a seating area, but there was one chair there by the window. Our favorite thing by far was the view. We had a view of the pool outside, and in addition to that, because we stayed through the Amex Fine Resorts program, we were eligible for a free upgrade, and we got upgraded to the fireworks view. So we had a really good time. We were able to see both the Magic Kingdom and the Epcot fireworks at night when we were there. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please go ahead and give it a like and hit the subscribe button. We put out new videos every Sunday and have many more trips that we're very excited to share.